Is that a Sentra?
That's a Sentra.
That's a Nissan Sentra, dude. Check this out. What is up, you guys? Matt McAdam, your truck editor here at Driving Line, and tonight we've got a pretty awesome episode for you lined up here. I am in downtown Los Angeles here at a local lowrider meet, and this is the first time I've ever been to a cruise night like this before. I've always seen them. Big semi truck rolling through here. I've always seen these meets posted up on Instagram and Facebook, and I've never been to one, and I'm really excited to check out all the cool lowriders and the cars they have here. A lot of unique custom work here, and yeah, I'm going to be doing a lot of photography tonight. Got my Sony a7 III here, and I can already hear the Harleys and the choppers and some of the lowriders bouncing along the street here. So let's go take a look and see what they got going on here. Man, I'm really having a good time here. This is awesome. I've never been to a meet like this before. It's just so cool to see, like, this is LA car culture. Like, when I think LA car culture, this is what comes to mind. You got lowriders, all kinds of custom vehicles, classics, even some of the newer modern vehicles and platforms being built out, you know, with hydraulics and all custom suspension, a lot of chroming. I mean, this is just like quintessential West Coast right here. So it's really cool to be here and just kind of take in some of that, because I've lived in Southern California my whole life, and I've never really, you know, been in a place where there's a gathering of these types of vehicles. But I'm having a great time. I want to take some more photos, so we're going to keep walking around and see what else we can find here. I think I found my new favorite kind of meet. Having gone to like 20 years of South Orange County Cars and Coffee, and seeing the same Ferrari and the same Lamborghini and the same Porsches showing up week after week. Is that a Sentra?
That's a Sentra.
That's a Nissan Sentra, dude. Check this out. right, guys, well, what a night. That was definitely the coolest car meet I've ever been to, hands down. I mean, I grew up going to Cars and Coffee down in Newport Beach and Irvine and seeing all kinds of really expensive high-end vehicles, but this, just the culture at this show makes it literally like nothing else I've ever been to. Definitely the most unique cars I've seen at a show. You can tell that the people that build these things are very passionate about them, and they're out here to put on a show for people like me who just came out here for the first time and, you know, never really been exposed to cars like this. So just a little slice of car culture heaven we have here in Los Angeles. But until next time, you guys, thanks for coming along on the Lowrider Cruise Night. This is your truck editor, driving line Matt McAdam, aka Desert Chief. I'll catch you guys on the next one.